Hello everyone, I'm Seth Porter, coming to you live from Atlantis Rails Workshop. Today we'll be going over the proper use of the HandiSwage hand swage tool. Each tool comes in a branded box and is supplied with a full instruction sheet as well as an after swage gauge for measuring your crimps. The tool is primarily used for hand swaging the HandiSwage studs onto cable. And as always, we recommend that you use safety glasses and gloves when working with cable. Start by inserting the cable end into the stud. Insert the stud into the tool, leaving an 1/8 inch between the tool and the end of the stud. Make your first crimp and verify that it was done properly by using the after swage gauge. If the gauge does not go on, you can increase the crimping capability by using the adjustment bolt. Make your second and third crimps, leaving an 1/8 inch of space between crimps. It is important that the stud is rotated 180 degrees between crimps to ensure that it does not bend. Well, that completes our video on how to properly use the HandiSwage tool. We hope you're ready to tackle your next HandiSwage cable railing project with confidence. You can find the instructions for the HandiSwage hand swager in the resources and download section of our website. Please visit us at atlantisrail.com.